This video is brought to you by Haiku Inc., creators of game-based cybersecurity training. Our modules teach beginning to advanced cybersecurity skills, including how SQL injection attacks work. To learn more and get a valuable discount code for Haiku, stay tuned until the end. Join me as I dive deep into the world of SQL injection attacks. I'll be trying to expose the most common vulnerabilities and show you exactly what you need to know to protect yourself. SQL injection is a critical cybersecurity threat that's still a major concern in today's digital landscape. With more and more data being stored online, the risk of SQL injection attacks is higher than ever. These attacks can have devastating consequences, from data breaches to complete system takeovers. You might be wondering why you should care. If you're someone who uses the internet, you're likely interacting with databases all the time, whether it's through online shopping, social media, or even just checking your email. Businesses face significant challenges in securing their databases against SQL injection attacks. One of the biggest problems is that many developers are still not aware of the risks, or they don't know how to properly secure their code. We've seen some high-profile breaches in recent years, like the Equifax hack, which exposed sensitive data of over 147 million people. This breach was caused by a vulnerability in Apache Struts, which is a software framework used to build web applications. The attackers used a SQL injection attack to gain access to the system. Another example is the Panama Papers leak, which was also caused by a SQL injection vulnerability. The reason SQL injection attacks are so effective is that they're often easy to execute. An attacker can simply inject malicious SQL code into a web application's database, allowing them to access, modify, or even delete sensitive data. There are several types of SQL injection attacks, including classic SQL injection, blind SQL injection, and time-based blind SQL injection. The consequences can be severe, with both businesses and users facing financial losses, reputational damage, and even legal repercussions. Blind SQL injection attacks are particularly insidious because they don't provide an error message, making it harder to detect. Time-based blind SQL injection attacks are even more sophisticated, as they rely on the database's response time to infer information. To make matters worse, SQL injection attacks can also be used as a stepping stone for other types of attacks, such as malware infections or ransomware. A recent high-profile SQL injection attack that comes to mind is the one on the company T-Mobile. Hackers gained access to sensitive data, including customer names, addresses, and financial information. The breach was caused by a SQL injection vulnerability in an API. The impact was significant, with over 2 million customers affected. This incident highlights the importance of awareness and proactive measures to prevent such attacks. To prevent SQL injection attacks, it's essential to use prepared statements, validate user input, and implement robust security measures. By taking these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of a SQL injection attack. If you have any thoughts on SQL injection attacks or have experienced one firsthand, share your stories in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about cybersecurity, be sure to subscribe for more content like this. Now what you've been waiting for. Sign up for Haiku today with the code JOINHAIKU, one word, all caps, and get a limited time 10% off. See the link in the comments section.